Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English and Kurdish Learn. That means learn English and Kurdish. Today we are going to learn a simple English and Kurdish sentence. In English, we say that I will go. This sentence is about the future tense, so the pronunciation of it is I will go. If you want to learn the meaning of I will go in Kurdish, we can use like that or we can learn like that. In English, I, in Kurdish, as. The meaning of I in Kurdish, as. Let's look at how to write as in Kurdish. I, as. Will. The meaning of will is for future tense, so that go, that means çuyin, to go. So that for the as, biçim. Azı biçim. In Kurdish, azı biçim. In English, I will go. تبع واتيكو بإنجليزي I will go واتيكو بكردي أزي بچم. هفالي نهيجا برايان عزيز خوشكين دلال از گلکس باستگم جبو تماشا کردنا و بمینن کیف و خیر و خواشیده و ام دیسا هفته به درس قدم ببینن هیویا من وایا که هنه ببینن آبونه و بشوبنن و قناله و عجباندن خوش بیر نگن. Thank you very much for watching and see you next lesson.